Hey guys, in this video I will show you if you can pay on Temu with Easypaisa. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your account on the Temu website or app. Select the products you want to order and add them to your cart. Once ready, proceed to checkout. During checkout, check if Easypaisa is listed among the payment methods available. Once you find it, click on it and enter the necessary details. Next, click on the order button and complete the process. Now, if it is not visible, you can use an alternative method by accessing your Easypaisa card details through their app. Open the Easypaisa app and navigate to the card section. Use that information to fill in the required payment details during checkout on Temu's platform. If you encounter any issues during this process, feel free to contact Temu's customer support for assistance. So that's basically how you can pay on Temu with Easypaisa. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!